Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony Vijay. In this video, we will be going to see about the collision resolution techniques in hashing. So here I am going to explain about the introduction part of collision resolution technique. So generally in hashing, hash functions were used. It is used to generate hash values. So these hash values can create index for storing the keys into the hash table. So this particular hash function may return the same hash value for two different keys or two or more different keys. So this leads to collision. So we have to handle this collision. Okay. So here I have explained two different keys. One is 10, the other one is 15. So we are applying this key to the hash function. So key is passed here. Now the value of key is 10. So I have the particular formula is key modulo 5. That is key is 10 modulo 5. So the remainder is 0. It means the key value is 10 that is stored in the index is 0 in the hash table. So hash table usually in the form of two columns like index. The first column is index and second column is value. So for index 0, 10 is assigned already. Now I am going to take 15 now. So 15 again apply to hash function. Now the key value is 15. So again I am taking 15 modulo 5. It is also 0. So already index 0 is filled with 10. So there is no other chance. Okay. So this is called a collision. Okay. Now I am going to explain how to avoid collisions. So in order to avoid a collision, there are two different collision resolution techniques are there. The first one is separate chaining. The other one is open addressing. So the other name for separate chaining is open hashing, and the other name for open addressing is closed hashing. And under open addressing, there is linear probing, quadratic probing, and double hashing. These techniques are already there. So first of all, I am going to explain about the separate chaining process. Let's see. So separate chaining is mainly for storing the particular hash value to the hash table with the help of index. So here it will form like a linked list form. Okay, so that the collision can be easily avoided. Let's see that in diagrammatic representation. So in this example, I am taking the hash function is key modulo 5, and I am taking four values like 12, 22 and 15, 25. So let's have a look about the diagram. So first of all, I am taking 12. 12 is applied to the hash function. So 12 modulo 5. So the remainder is 2. So that the index 2 is occupied by 12. This process is over. Next, I am taking the second key, that is 22. 22 is applied to hash function. Again 22 modulo 5. It is 2. So already 2 is filled. So I told you already, separate chaining will create a linked list like this. So there is no issues happen. There is no collision is going to happen. Okay. So separate chaining is the one of the solution for avoiding the collision. So likewise I am taking 15. So 15 modulo 5. The remainder is 0. Index 0 is occupied by 15. And the last element is 25. So while applying 25 modulo 5, again it is 0. So 0 is already filled with 15. So it will create a linked list for 25. Let's see. So 15 linked list form 25. This is the general process. Okay. So this is called separate chaining.
Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you very much for watching.